Hi folks, this is Raj, founder of Carigaar. I'm back again with some news and updates. April will be the survey month for Carigaar. We'll be meeting with small business owners of Vancouver and Surrey area to know more about their thoughts about their thoughts on marketing, hiring, and probably customer service. As we know, local business are the key to productivity for several reasons. Firstly, local business are more likely to be responsive to their customer needs. This means that feel that their needs are being met, and as a result, they are more likely to be productive. Furthermore, local business tend to have a better understanding of their local environment, meaning they are more able to provide uh, the products and services that are best suited to the local market. This means that the customer are more likely to find what they are looking for, and as a result, they are more likely to feel that their needs are being met. This in turn can help to increase the productivity and satisfaction with their work. As local business are more in touch with the local community, they are able to respond more quickly and efficiently to their customer needs. This means that customers are more likely to find what they are looking for, and they are also more likely to feel that they are being listened to and their queries are being addressed. This can lead to a sense of satisfaction and loyalty that helps to unlock the productivity. There are many things that can do to support your local businesses. Firstly, make an effort to shop locally whenever possible. This means buying products and services from local businesses in our community instead of buying from a large corporation. This helps to put more money into the local economy as well as support the people who are running the local businesses. You can also help, or we can also help to spread the word about the local business to our friends, family, and colleagues. This will help to make them more visible to people in our area, as well as to get new or potential customers. Finally, you can also volunteer your time and skills to the local businesses. This will help them to be more successful and secure, which in turn can help to create more jobs and more sustainable local economy. Supporting our local businesses is a great way to help our local community, as well as to enjoy the unique goods and services they provide. Generally, local businesses always provide something unique, and that's why Carigaar's Carigaar app's goal is to connect local business with local community, target local economic growth. We invite everyone to join with us and help our local businesses to grow. Let's support them. This is our today story. Again, next week, we'll be back with our local news and we'll help our local businesses with more supports, more technology. And thanks to everyone and have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.